March 8, 2014, a routine flight from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing turns into one of the greatest aviation mysteries of all time. Malaysia Airlines flight MH370, carrying 239 passengers and including crew members, vanishes without a trace. No distress signals, no emergency calls, just gone. The disappearance of Malaysia Airlines flight MH370, a Boeing 777-200ER. The flight departed Kuala Lumpur International Airport at 12:41 a.m. local time, heading for Beijing on what was supposed to be a 6-hour journey. The first 38 minutes were completely normal, but at 1:19 a.m., as the plane was leaving Malaysian airspace, the co-pilot's last recorded words were, "Good night, Malaysian 370."